What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back today with another fashion video, which I'm super excited about. This is definitely my most popular style video, which is a what's new in my closet video. And I love to just dive in and look at what I have new in my closet to share with you guys, to give you some styling tips or ideas on what you guys might want to try to pick up for this season. The last video I did was in the fall of last year, so this is kind of an updated winter edition. I also need more fashion video idea requests, so if you guys could leave them in the comments below. I'm hoping to do a fashion video every week on my channel and mixing in the weekly vlogs. If there is a lot of noise happening, every time I go to film a video, I swear they're doing maintenance on my building or there is some kind of garbage truck. So I'm sorry if there is some noise happening, but we're just gonna get to it anyways. Okay, so we are going to start strong with my favorite category, which is shoes. First up, I picked up these Puma Mayze stack sneakers. And to be honest, I've been looking for different style sneakers other than my Nike Jordans. You guys know I love my Dunks and my Jordans, but I have been wanting to just mix things up a little bit and try out some new style sneakers, and I love Pumas for this. They have a lot of platform sneakers, which I really love. The Jordans and the Dunks are more of like a flat sneaker, so sometimes I like to have a bit of a platform, which is why I really loved these sneakers, and they go with everything. So just a really classic white sneaker, an alternative to an Air Force One, and just something a little bit different. I really love to wear these with cargo pants or jeans, and it just really like kind of adds something different to an outfit when the sneaker is a little bit more unique. And by the way, I will have everything linked below in the description. If I wasn't able to find it, I will definitely link something similar for you guys. Okay, in my last video that I did of my what's new in my closet, I showed you guys the black version of these platform Uggs, and I loved them so much that I picked up the Chestnut as well. These are the classic mini Uggs, not the ultra mini. So I have been really loving these for the winter. They're just super cute and casual to pair with literally any winter outfit. And yeah, I just had to get the Chestnut. They have been sold out over the holidays, but I feel like now with the new year they might have them back in stock, so hopefully I'll have them in the description box for you guys. Honestly, I don't wear a lot of brown looks. Like, I feel like I'm usually gravitating more towards the black, but every so often I will do more of like a cream, like warm tone outfit, and these are the perfect boot to pair with them. Okay, my last shoe that I have picked up is actually something really different for me, but I am actually obsessed. And I picked up these vintage Dior heels. And let me tell you guys know I'm a sneaker girly, and honestly, I've never really like loved a heel so much to invest in a pair of heels, because I'm always just gravitating towards comfy looks. I'll even dress up sneakers for dinner. So a heel is not usually something that I would pick up, but I saw these Dior heels and I just fell in love with the little emblem here that says Dior. I just feel like they're so cool and timeless at the same time, and they're not super high, so I can manage in these. But just picture these with like a baggy denim and like an oversized biker jacket, or even an oversized blazer. This would be a look, you know? So I'm really excited. I just need somewhere to wear them to. I got these from an online vintage shop called the Millennial Decorator. I'll have her Instagram linked below. Her stuff goes so quickly, so I literally DM'd her right when the drop happened, which is what you need to do if you want to grab a pair. But she has a ton of different vintage heels and boots, just something different to elevate your closet. And who says you can't wear heels in a streetwear look? All right, so now I'm going to move into the clothing category of this video, and I have picked up quite a few pieces, so this will be the bulk section of the video. But I have been loving hockey style jerseys. So this one is from Boohoo Man. You guys know I love all of Boohoo Man's stuff. I get a ton of pieces from them, and lately this hockey jersey trend has been really in style, and I love the look. It's kind of a different play on like a basketball jersey or a baseball jersey, which I love to wear, especially in the summertime. But an alternative to that for the fall and winter, because they're long sleeve, is a hockey jersey. So I've been really excited that this has been a trend. I actually think I picked up another one that's on its way, but so cool. You could even find these vintage for sure at your local thrift store, and I just love the look with the lace at the top. I think it's it's a really cool trend that's going around. Yeah, just kind of like a new statement piece that I have been loving to wear. All right, next up is this Nike pullover sweater in this Sherpa material. It has this little Nike emblem and it's in like a cream color. I actually got this on Black Friday and I saw it on Instagram page and it happened to be in stock at Sporting Life. So I'm gonna try to find the exact one for you guys online, but it's really cute because it ties at the bottom. So with leggings or something, it's kind of like an oversized look, but really cool and cozy just for the winter. And I've actually been wearing this a ton, so it's definitely worth it. Okay, next up are vintage crew necks. You guys know I love a good vintage crew. The one I'm wearing right now is new, the Chicago Bulls crew neck. I will try to find the shop that I got it from. It was an online store. I've also been getting a lot of vintage pieces off Facebook Marketplace, which is definitely a hack. I feel like people who are selling on there, might not know like the value of it and sell it for a pretty good price compared to some of the vintage stores that you might go to in your city. So I found like, I'm pretty sure I got this one for a decent price, which usually if you were to find this at a vintage store, it would be $80 plus, and you can kind of negotiate with them on Facebook Marketplace. I also got this Nike pullover crew as well. This is from an online vintage store that I can't remember the name of, but I will have it linked below for you guys. But I love this one because it just had some neutral tones, really cute to just layer over leggings as well. It has a really oversized vibe to it, but of course I love that. And just the little Nike symbol, it's just a little bit more low-key, which I really like and goes with everything, just even layered under a puffer coat or like a leather jacket or something. It's really cute. That was the tops section of the clothing section. So now moving into sweat sets. I picked up a couple new sweat sets that I have been wearing a ton lately. The first one is this brown knit sweat set from Boohoo Man. It just has this B logo on the side, so it's really simple and it comes with the matching brown pants. I just love wearing a set like this in the winter because you can easily just throw on something really like casual over top, like a trench coat or a puffer coat, and you're kind of just set. I love to be comfy, you guys know that. So this one I really recommend if you want to check out their sweat sets at Boohoo Man. They have so many sweat sets like this. And then the second one is pretty similar, but it's in this charcoal gray. The pants are like a wide leg pant, which you will usually see on Boohoo Man. They're more of a straight wide leg, which I love anyways. And it's just plain and comes with this matching crew neck. It doesn't have anything on it. I actually wore this to the airport and it was a perfect airport look because I layered it with a biker coat and my platform Uggs, and it was a really cute look, but still really comfy, which is always my goal. So I think I usually get a size small or a medium in their sweat sets. This one is a medium. The other brown one is a size small for reference. So just make sure you read the description and what the model is wearing, because some of them are a lot more oversized because it is men's. So just pay attention to that and kind of size accordingly. Moving into the pants section of this video, which is probably the most exciting for me. I love a good cargo pant, and recently army pants have been making a comeback, which I'm honestly really excited about. I love army pants. I think they're so cute, and it's weird because army tends to come in and out randomly. I remember maybe 5 years ago or so, army jackets were in, and then I didn't see army for a while, but now I'm seeing army pants back in. So I had to grab a pair from Boohoo Man as well. These ones are really cute because they have the drawstring on the bottom of the leg, so if you want to make them more of a jogger, you can, but I usually just leave them to be more wide leg. But they're more of a cargo style and has this elastic waist, which is nice too. I got a size extra small in these. Usually in all of Boohoo Man's pants, I get a 28 or an extra small because I am size 2, so they tend to fit really perfectly. I've already styled these a couple times actually on my feed, which you guys might have seen, but I'm excited to keep playing around with them and seeing what I can style these with. Okay, next up is another vintage item. I got these vintage Nike windbreaker pants, and they actually fit so well. I got these from Value Village, so I sadly can't like link these for you, which you guys know with the vintage items, but it had this little Nike emblem at the bottom, which I thought was really cool and very Y2K vibes. So I have been living in these. You can even dress these up with a blazer, which is really cool. I did that with these and I loved the way it looked together. I think I got these for maybe $7.99 or something like that at Value Village. Go to the men's sports pants section and I swear I always find pants like these there, and no one's ever really looking at them. So another pant I have picked up are these leather cargo pants, and I have a lot of leather pants, but I didn't have any that had this kind of cargo pant look, so they're a little bit more casual than the typical leather pant, because it has this drawstring, so it's almost like infusing a sweatpant with a leather pant. So also from Boohooman, I got a size extra small as well. Okay, last up in the pants section are these brown leather pants. So keeping with the leather pants category, these ones are a little bit more dressy. I got these from Pretty Little Thing, but they fit so nicely. They are a little bit more thin, like I was mentioning. Some of them can be a little bit thinner, and I'm always trying to find a good fitting leather pant, because sometimes the fit of them can be weird, because you still want them to be fitted at the waist but kind of baggy down by the ankle. So I really love the fit of these ones. Moving into the jackets portion of this video, I picked up this cropped cream puffer coat, which I did style on my page recently with the army pants actually, which was a really cute look, and also from Boohooman. So I just love the way this jacket fits. It's super puffy but cropped. I don't know, it's kind of a vibe. Usually I feel like in the past I've gone for longer puffer coats, but this one has a really cool fit, and it's pretty thick actually, which I was surprised about. And it also has the drawstring at the waist, so if you don't want it super cropped, you can also kind of leave it a little bit more loose. But I guess this is a better look of it. I'm trying to show you guys, but just a really cool color in the cream. All right, next jacket is this Sherpa style jacket, but it's actually really long, so it's more of a trench coat vibe. It's hard to show you guys, but maybe I can try to show you if I stand up. See, it's like a longer jacket, but I love this jacket for a little bit more of an elevated day look. I paired this with a pair of jeans and my UGG boots. Instantly kind of a look, you know? This one's from Pretty Little Thing, and the quality is actually really nice, so I was pleasantly surprised with it. I got a size 4 for reference, and it actually fits pretty oversized, so I didn't have to size up too much. Next up, I got 2 different trench coats, and every time I wear these, I get so many compliments on them. This color is kind of like an olive brown gray color, and every time I wear it I get a lot of compliments, and it's from Boohooman. It looks expensive, but it's definitely affordable for the style. I just love a trench coat vibe. I don't know what it is when I put on a trench coat, I just feel so classy and elevated, but it's still streetwear. Like, picture this with a leather baggy cargo pant and your sneakers. I got a size small in this, and it's definitely oversized, so you don't need to oversize too much. And then I picked up a black one from Pretty Little Thing. This one's also really cute. I feel like I could have sized up maybe one more. It's a medium for just a little bit more oversized look, but it still is baggy. It's just a simple trench, has the tie, but sometimes that olivey color doesn't match with what I'm wearing, so instead I'll throw on the black trench instead. All right guys, we are not done yet. We have the final category of this video, which is accessories, and these accessories have been more designer pieces that I have invested in and picked up over the last few months. The first one is this Balenciaga card wallet. I got this in Paris when we were there last October, but it's like this crocodile. It's not real crocodile, but it's more of this croc leather vibe, which I really liked because it kind of added a little bit of a upscale vibe to it. The other one I think was just a matte leather, so it's a little more casual looking, but I needed something just small that could fit into all of my bags because I have like a chunky wallet and I feel like I have 2 cards, so this is just more practical to just have and keep, and even in my pocket, I could just throw it in and not have to bring a big wallet or a purse. Next up, I picked up a pair of sunglasses from Prada. I had been eyeing these for a while, and they're just the perfect kind of everyday sunglasses. I love the shape of the side of the sunglasses, which I thought was really cool. More simple, which I like, something more understated and classic. I feel like these will always be in style. Like, this shape of sunglasses will always kind of be in. So the last accessory is this diesel Diesel bag, and I, again, have been eyeing this for so long, and it was always sold out on the Diesel website. So we were shopping in Paris, and there's a Diesel store in one of their malls, and they just so happened to have the black one just chilling there, and I knew I had to grab it because in Canada I couldn't find it anywhere, and online they were sold out, and they just had one in stock. It has the long strap that you can attach, which I like to keep on, and or you can just hold it like this and remove the strap as well. This is the larger version. I think they have mini bags out now too that are like half the size, which are really cute, but this one actually fits a lot in it. So all right guys, so that is the end of the what's new in my closet video, January edition. I am hoping to continue on with these videos every season. I know I did it last fall, now it's winter, but maybe I can do them more frequently depending on what I get in my closet each month. So again, let me know what you guys want to see more from me on the fashion end of things for videos, because I need ideas and want to know what you guys want to see from me. If you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Bye.